Have you ever wondered what keeps your room cool in the summer and warm in the winter? Or what happens when your AC stops working? Today, we will understand the technology that is a vital part of our daily lives. HVAC fundamentals. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. In simple terms, it is the system that controls the air inside any space. Its goal is to maintain the temperature, air freshness, and humidity at the perfect level. An HVAC system works on three basic parts: heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Each part performs a different job, but together they provide you with complete comfort. First comes heating. For this, we use furnaces or heat pumps. A furnace uses gas or electricity to heat the air and spreads it throughout the house via ducts. A heat pump, on the other hand, pulls heat from the outside to bring it indoors. The second part is ventilation. Its job is to push out the stale indoor air and bring in fresh outdoor air. Exhaust fans, vents, and air ducts are all part of this process. It removes impurities, odors, and excess humidity from the air. And third, the most important, air conditioning. Its purpose is to remove heat from the inside. An AC unit has four main components: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. They work in a loop called the vapor compression cycle. The vapor compression cycle is the secret behind how an AC cools. In this process, a gas called refrigerant is squeezed by the compressor, cooled down in the condenser, has its pressure reduced by the expansion valve, and then absorbs heat in the evaporator to cool the air. It's not just about comfort. HVAC is also essential for our health. Proper ventilation reduces viruses and bacteria, and the right temperature and humidity help prevent allergies. It is crucial in offices, hospitals, and homes. Regular maintenance of your HVAC system, cleaning filters, checking gas levels, and inspecting wiring, not only reduces your electricity bill, but also increases the life of the unit and makes it work more efficiently. Now you understand how important HVAC technology is. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and take care of your comfort.